Good day everyone, this is Dexter Navarro from BAM1C, and this is my essay video about what are the positive and negative effects of technology in our mental health. Technology is big part of our everyday lives. We use our phones, computers, and social media all the time. Because of this, technology affects our mental health in both good and bad ways. One positive effect is easy access to help. Many apps and websites offer tips, hotlines, and even online counseling. This makes it easier for people to get supported when they feel stressed or sad. Technology also helps us stay connected. We can talk to friends and family even if they are far away. Online communities and group chats can make us feel supported and less alone. Another good thing is information. We can quickly learn about mental health, what stress is, how to calm down, or how other people with the same problems. This helps people understand their feelings better. But technology also has a negative effect. Using phones and social media too much can cause stress and anxiety. Constant notification and messages can be overwhelming. Social media can also make us compare ourselves to others. We see perfect photos and happy moments, and sometimes this makes us feel not good enough. This can hurt our self-esteem. Too much screen time can also affect our sleep, focus, and daily routine. Staying up late, scrolling, or playing games can make us tired and less productive. Some people can even become too much dependent on their phones, making it hard to disconnect. In the end, technology has both good and bad effect in our mental health. It can help us connect, learn, and get supported, but it can also cause stress, pressure, and unhealthy habits if we don't control our use. The key is balance. If we use technology wisely and set limits, it can support our mental health instead of harming it. Sakto 3 minutes. Thank you.